Can I touch it? It likes you. Mom! My bag is warm. I think something is in there. This place looks magical.
That's why we came.
Can I touch it? It likes you. Rocks can't move, right? Emma?
Buddy thinks your rock is alive.
Yeah, funny.
Why is my toast breathing smoke?
Emma's haunted rock is angry.
Maybe don't say that so loud. Why does this taste like burnt dragon?
Because it is.
Oh, is that all?
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Oh no.
It has eyes.
That is a dragon! No way! How is this happening?
Okay, nobody panic.
He cooked breakfast!
Good dragon. I'll protect you. No chewing the couch.
Rower? No chewing the photos either. Why is the dragon eye in the fridge? He likes cold snacks.
He's flying! Watch out! Chirping sounds. You already ate 3 marshmallows. Tiny burp sound.
We are still not keeping a dragon. Okay, maybe just for a little while.
And the little dragon found his way home. Chirp! He thinks it's alive! Spark, stop attacking the lamp! I think your name should be Spark. Yup, he likes it. It's okay, you're safe here. Whimper. What are those? Grrr. Grrr.
I've seen this symbol before.
Please don't say dragon cult.
Long ago, people spoke about skyfire dragons.
They're real?
Nod slowly.
You know her, don't you? Who are you? My name is Lyra, and that baby dragon is lost. That's Spark.
Easy, little one. You remember.
Easy, little one. You remember. Spark belongs to a hidden dragon sanctuary high in the mountains.
There's a whole sanctuary?
This is the coolest thing ever. You have a family waiting for you.
Everybody in the car, now!
We'll get you home.
You know this place. Chirps excitedly.
This road is terrifying.
We're almost there.
Chirp.
The sanctuary is opening. No way! It's beautiful. Chirps emotionally.
This is real. It's incredible. I can't believe it. You hear them. Happy dragon cry. They've come back for you, Spark. I knew they'd come back.
They always do, my dear.
Mother, Father, he found them. Chirp.
Spark. I'm gonna miss you. Whimpers softly. Dragons never forget the people who love them. Keep going, Spark. You're doing great, little one. Look, I'm flying.
He's home now.
Bye, Spark. What would YO name the baby dragon? Spark.
Is that Spark?
I think he misses us too. He sent magic.
The dragons are safe because of your family.
Will we ever see Spark again?
Only time will tell.
See you someday, Spark. Have you ever wished dragons were real? Spark would love snow. Mom! Something's here! Please tell me it's not another dragon egg. Dear Emma, I miss pancakes.
Merry Christmas, Spark.
It's showing something. Okay, that's definitely not normal. I think Spark wants us to follow this.
I know this mountain. You've been there?
There's an old cave hidden beneath the sanctuary mountains.
Maybe Spark left us a secret. I think Spark wants us to come back. Then we're going. Round 2 with dragons. This is officially the coolest winter ever. This place feels different now. Spark's close.
I wondered when the little dragon would call you back. You knew this would happen?
There is something hidden beneath the sanctuary. Please don't say sleeping dragon. This place feels alive. I think Spark brought us here for a reason. It opened! Everybody stay close! They live together.
People and dragons.
Spark sent us a map. That little dragon planned this.
The a heart crystal.
It's beautiful. Spark!
Hi, friends! Please like and subscribe to Emma Easy English for more fun stories. Thank you, friends. Bye!